Hello and welcome to our election special State of War Bengal that we're bringing to you live from Tarkeshwar in Hooghly district, which is going to polls today. Polling has been underway over here, and Polami Sahan, you can see the steady stream of voters that have been coming out to cast their ballot despite it being past 3:30 p.m. peak afternoon. They have been stepping out in order to make their vote count. In fact, 54.94% polling has been witnessed in the third phase of the elections, which is currently underway in West Bengal. Remember, this is round 3 of the high decibel Bengal battle, and 31 seats across 3 districts in South 24 Parganas, Hooghly and Howrah are polling today. Most of these seats are known to be traditional bastions of the TMC. The fate of 205 candidates, including BJP leader Shopan Das Gupta, TMC Minister Ashima Patra and CPM leader Kanti Ganguly, will be decided by the voters today. Diamond Harbour, the parliamentary constituency of TMC heavyweight Abhishek Banerjee, will be closely watched in this election as 4 of its 7 assembly segments are voting in this phase. In 2016, TMC won 29 seats out of 31, nearly securing 50% vote share. A BJP worker was killed allegedly by TMC workers today in Tarkeshwar. A BJP worker's mother's earlobe was torn allegedly in an attack by TMC workers.
We are doing our utmost to instill confidence. We want more and more people to come and vote. There can be bastions. That was yesterday's story. Today's story is different. The antipathy of the people towards this form of... Why do you think they want to prevent people from voting? Why do you think they are into intimidation? If they had support, they wouldn't have done all this. They would have been confident. It's because they are losing support.